Hi, I'm here today with Tami Tushie from American Home Shield. American Home Shield is an important part of my offerings here as a realtor, and I try to make sure that both buyers and sellers are able to take advantage of the benefits of a home warranty. Tami, can you tell us a little bit about what a home warranty is and what AHS does?
Sure. Thank you, Austin, for having me today. Would love to talk about American Home Shield and the home warranty program and how your customers can utilize it best. A home warranty is there to cover all the major mechanicals and appliances in their home, protecting them that first year in their home. We offer repair service first, and then if they're not able to repair it, it is a full replacement program.
Okay, and there's a trip charge as well when the techs come out to do it.
Yes, $100 trade service fee is what we call it, and that makes it available by trade. So they could do 3 plumbing claims for just $100. The trade service fee is $100.
Okay.
Yes.
I actually just had a client who bought a house in December. 2 weeks after buying it, their fridge died. I spoke with him this morning. They have a brand new fridge. The process took a little bit to get it all, to figure out whether they could have it replaced or repaired. Turns out it was a full replacement. He's thrilled. Can you tell us a little bit about how it protects sellers?
Sure, absolutely. So when a client is looking at listing their home, obviously they don't necessarily know what is potentially going to happen at the time of inspection. And so many sellers are very worried about the inspection period. If the home warranty is put on prior to inspection, we will cover all the major mechanicals in the home until that home closes, giving them that protection on all of those major mechanicals even during the time of inspection.
I find that coverage to be super helpful. Last summer I had a client whose air conditioning went out. Between the time that we had an agreement on the home and the time it was supposed to close, she got a new air conditioner and it was almost all covered, about a $4,000 unit. And the buyer was thrilled, the seller was thrilled to be protected from the downside of having to pay for all of that replacement. And it really is something that I try to make sure that it is included in as many transactions as possible because it does protect both sides. Tami, can you tell us a little bit about why American Home Shield or AHS is better than some of the other competitors out there?
Great question. American Home Shield has the most coverage that is available. So a lot of times you look at brochures or look online and look at check marks that are there saying, oh, the furnace is covered, the AC is covered. But really when it comes to home warranties, it's coming down to the terms and conditions of the contract. There's nobody else out there that has more robust terms and conditions than American Home Shield. So if you do have for instance, a washer fail, you now take a look at what is covered on that washer specifically in the terms and conditions, because every company will be different. Working with American Home Shield, there's not another company out there that will cover more on that washer than what American Home Shield would. So.
Great. One other thing to point out is that this is it's not only for people who are buying and selling homes. You could have been in your home for years and buy an American Home Shield warranty to protect you from future failures of the systems in the homes. So I stand by the product. I use it as often as possible. And I just want to thank Tami for coming in and telling us a little bit more about it. If you have questions, please let me know. If I can't answer those questions, I'm calling Tami because she always calls me back.
Yes. Thank you very much, Austin, for having me.
Thanks, Tami.
Thank you.